Faithful Jingle Bell supporters, for years, entertainment like this has been your brightest source of joy during the holiday season, and for such a great cause. But why limit Jingle Bells to just one day? Newly released and already multi-platinum record, Jingle Bells, Sounds of the Seasons. Every single season.
Featuring newly recorded hits like this.
I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones we used to know. May your dreams be merry and bright.
Or this one.
Silver bells, it's Christmas time for the kitties. Hear them ring, see them ring, soon they will be on the floor.
Meow. Oh, but wait, there's even more.
Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright. Look, Joe, look.
The sounds of the season, you can listen to Jingle Bells hits all year long. Every day, any day, while shopping. While driving. While petting your favorite Christmas ornament.
Bonus tracks include the wintry favorite, I Can't Feel My Face When I Ice Fish, and this Disney classic.
Let it snow, let it snow, away in the storm, I don't care.
Order today and get your Jingle Bells Sounds of the Season for only $19.95. Now released on 8-track, vinyl, organic vinyl, CD, and any whatever newfangled hipster things kids like these days.
And one more thing, order in the next 10 minutes and we'll double your order for double the price. Plus, we'll throw in a Jingle Bells jacket. What, no jacket? Oh, okay, no jacket, but who needs it? All the comfort you need in any weather is this album.